Good morning, January 5th here. Let's take a moment to go over this daily planner so that you are all organized and set for the day. If you need to remember up here, this is just easy access to all of your daily work. So if you wanted to go to Monday's daily work, remember you can just click here and it's bookmarked, and there you have it. You go right to Monday's January 4th and your learning is right there for you. If I'm just going to scroll up for today so that we have it all set for us here. Remember the monthly planner pages, the links are here. And if there's something that you didn't complete in December and you want to go back and take a look, you can always click here and that'll bring you right to the December daily planner. So you can check out that. Otherwise, today, a couple announcements. One, don't forget social studies. Social studies and science have been put on the back burner. It seems to be a trend that we get our math done first, and then we get our reading done sometimes, and then we seem to leave social studies and science off to the side. And I noticed a trend of last trimester that many of you were playing catch up right at the end of the trimester. So let's not play catch up this trimester. Let's make sure that we keep on track and know that you should be looking at your 4 subject areas every single day to see what work you have to do in that subject. Again, just reminding you that you are all continuing to use those same personalized schedules that you were assigned prior to break. If you can't remember where those are located, they're just in Schoology. If you go to your homeroom course and you click on your personalized schedule, you can find your name here. And you can go ahead and click on your name, and that will bring you right to your personalized schedule so you know exactly where to go and where you should be for the day. This is going to always give you your setup for your times that you meet with Mrs. Olson, or if you meet with somebody else other than Mrs. Olson, it'll tell you on that personalized schedule. That has not changed. I know some things feel like we've been away for such a long time. It's only been a week, but remember, everything is continuing just as it was right before break. Just a reminder that I have open office hours from 10 to 10:45 today, so if you have any questions, stop on in. I will be there to help you out. All right, so let's start with language arts. That's our 11 o'clock meeting, and this is our entire classroom. We'll meet at 11. And we have Wit and Wisdom. We're going to finish up Wit and Wisdom Mod 0, Lesson 6, Part 2. And reminder that you are going to be turning in that response journal. It's very, very important because you are graded on your response journal. This is all of the daily work that we've been doing since before break, starting with Module 0. So if you are a little bit behind on that response journal, you can always go to the response journal checklist, click there, and then you will see that I've been keeping up with this checklist. So every time we do something together in class and we put it into our response journal, then I put it here so that you are able to keep up with what we've done. So far, you are going to have that Frayer model of just the one vocabulary word. And then this is what we're going to add today. So you'll notice in the lesson 6 vocab will be added today. And then our response journal, there's many things that we've done so far in our response journal, but these last 2 I have added in from our lesson yesterday. And then we are getting to our knowledge journal, not quite there yet, but we will be. So know that this is coming. All right, so let's get back to that daily planner. Again, making sure that your response journal and coming to class and keeping your response journal updated is your homework, okay? Math, we meet at 9 a.m. today. We will be going over lesson 322. Hopefully you turned in 321 review preview from yesterday. We are going to focus on locating negative numbers. All right, so make sure that you have that 322 those notes uploaded before coming to class. Again, you don't have to. It's just a great way to keep yourself organized and another way to study for that test before we take Chapter 3 test, which is coming soon, next week. Your math homework today will be 322 Review Preview, and that is also located in your math course in Schoology. Social studies today. We do meet for social studies. We'll be live today at 1 p.m. So you're going to go to your homeroom teacher's room and we're going to kind of go over and review expectations for note taking. We're going to make sure we see and look for some big ideas from that first assignment to help us answer that essential question. So I'll go over that with you today. And then we're going to preview some of the next assignments so that you're prepared to work independently on your own over the next week before I see you again next Tuesday. And then again, it's just a reminder, your social studies is chapter 6, assignment 2. You should have already completed chapter 1 yesterday, or I'm sorry, assignment 1 yesterday. So then lastly, we have science, and today just notice that you have a properties of matter assignment. It looks like this. It says Tuesday, January 5th, properties of matter. You're going to find that in your daily work in science. Again, we're not working out of DE today. This is a separate assignment, and there is actually a video that you're going to watch that's going to help you with your learning today. So make sure you're set and ready to go there. I think that about completes it. Don't forget 3 meetings today. So you've got your math, you've got your reading, and then we have our 1 o'clock meeting for social studies today in Mrs. Olson's room. All right, so we will see you today live at those 3 meetings. And again, if you need any help today, I am open from that 10 to 10:45 time to answer any of your questions.